Hi everyone! There are only 2 weeks left before the new year. The results of the outgoing year are quite curious. In this video review, we are going to tell you about the highlights of the Asian session as well as share our predictions. China cut its lending benchmark rate by 5 basis points to 3.80% from 3.85% previously for the first time since April 2022. By this step, China is trying to prop up growth in the slowing economy, the manufacturing sector, as well as the country's highly leveraged property market. The yuan may drop significantly due to this decision. For example, the Turkish lira nosedived sharply following the key rate cut by the Turkish central bank. The US dollar has finally started moving in line with the analysts' forecast. After the Fed's monetary policy decision, the greenback was supported to advance. However, it dropped unexpectedly due to its overbought status. Today, it has risen again to 96.60. It may even approach the resistance level of 97 amid the fundamental factors. The majority of forex strategists believe that its volatility and the current narrow range are likely to be short-lived factors. The index is expected to fluctuate at the current level until the Christmas holidays. The dollar-yuan pair was also volatile last week. Today, it's trading at the same level of 113.40 as a week ago. The price gets stuck at this level primarily because of the sharp swings in the bond market after the Fed's meeting last Wednesday. The Bank of Japan also announced its monetary policy decision, which did come as a surprise to investors. Therefore, the pair is trading in the same range. Taking into account fundamental factors, the pair is likely to trade in the range of 113 and 114. At the same time, it's necessary to monitor the Bank of Japan's auctions. If the regulator raises the interest rate earlier than planned, the dollar-yuan pair is sure to climb. A slower key rate hike could increase pressure on the pair. However, currently the bearish trend looks unlikely. The Australian dollar has been dropping against the US dollar for the third consecutive week after a strong rally. The price is gradually returning to 0.7020, which the AUD USD pair is trading at 0.7087. The US dollar index has recouped its losses, which is bearish for the pair, although even now the pair may halt its decline before the continuation of the downward movement. Bear it in mind when choosing your trading strategy. Traders are still mulling over monetary policy decisions made by central banks last week. The Fed announced the acceleration of the QE tapering. It also hinted at a hike in the key rate 3 times in 2022. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to leave your comments down below, and our analysts will try to answer all your questions. See you!